Understanding focal length is a crucial skill when learning photography. Today I have a quick demonstration of focal length to get your feet wet on the topic. I have here 8 images taken from the same location with the same camera and settings. The only change is the focal length used, starting at 24mm and working toward 300mm. 24mm, which you see here, is considered wide angle. What that means is that it captures a large image area in front of the camera. On the opposite end, at 300mm, that's considered telephoto, which means that it only captures a small area in front of the camera. So let's take a look at a few focal lengths going from this 24mm wide angle to telephoto. So here's 35, 50, 80, 100, 140, 200, and 300. Notice the dramatic difference between 300 and 24. So another way to look at this is to look at all the different focal lengths together in one image, which is what I have here. So here you can see I've taken what each focal length can see and laid it on top of the 24mm focal length view. As you increase the focal length, you start to see less and less of the image until at 300mm you can only see that very center of the objects far away in the distance. Alright, I hope this helps you get a very basic understanding of what focal length is for your photography. I'll see you next time.